Senator Risa is recognized for interjections.
Salamat Abby, Mr. President, and magandang hapon po, good sponsor, and to the good secretary and the DAR family. So, una ko pong paksa good sponsor tungkol sa land use conversion. Part of the budget of the Department of Agrarian Reform is allocated to the Center for Land Use Policy, Planning, and Implementation, or CLUP, whose mandate includes all matters regarding land use conversion. On the topic of conversion, areas non-negotiable for conversion include all irrigated lands where water is available to support rice and other crop production, as well as all irrigable lands already covered by irrigation projects with firm funding commitments. Pero, good sponsor, paano kung yung landowner sinira yung irrigation facilities at mga tanim sa isang parcel ng lupa? Ang mangyayari po ba doon ay magiging eligible yung lupang iyon para sa conversion sa non-agricultural use, Mr. President?
Wala pong ganun ang Department of Agrarian Reform kasi kaya nga binigay sa kanila lupa para sila ang magtitil ng lupa. Siguro baka yung mga private owners but not the land reform beneficiaries. They are not allowed to do that.
In that case po, good sponsor, ano yung magiging legal effect kung mapatunayan na may conversion order na nakuha fraudulently, Mr. President?
Will not be honored because that is illegal.
So the conversion order would not be honored dahil
Yes.
magiging illegal yon. All right, salamat po, good sponsor. Dako ako, Mr. President, dun sa land acquisition and distribution. So, with respect naman po to LAD, the department reports that under this administration, 56,071 titles have been distributed to agrarian reform beneficiaries. Pero I think para mailagay ito sa proper context, kailangan nating tanungin ilang ARBs ang iniintay pang matanggap yung mga titulo nila na registered sa kanilang pangalan at kino-cover yung lupang nakuha nila ng DAR o nakuha ng DAR para sa distribution, Mr. President.
Uh, 161,815.67 hectares to be distributed.
All right. Covering ilan pong potential agrarian reform beneficiaries, good sponsor?
Around the same, because the ratio is 1:1.
Almost the same because the ratio is 1:1.
So on average, 1:1 ang ratio. 1 ARB sa 1
beneficiary.
hectare.
Yes.
So mas malaki pa po itong bilang sa, ang nakuha ko kasing figure, good sponsor, ay 104,000. Kasi iniintay na lang nila yung titulo sa kanilang pangalan. So hindi lang pala 104,000, kundi 161,000, good sponsor. Okay, so mas marami pa. And yung susunod kong tanong, nasagot na ba sa previous na sagot nyo yung ilang hektarya ng lupa ang kailangang pang ma-acquire and distribute? Yun din po ba yung 161,815 hectares, good sponsor?
Na-acquire na yan?
I think we have to qualify. Hindi to acquire. Because yung acquisition has lapsed already in 2014. June 30, 2014. And therefore, ang
Automatic na to.
be acquisition but distributed.
Acquisition lapse in 2014. So it's not to be acquired anymore. It's for distribution.
So kung ganun po, ilang hektarya ng lupa ang natitira pa para i-distribute, good sponsor?
This one.
161,000 hectares plus. All right. So, in that case, ano po yung rate of accomplishment ng DAR sa land acquisition, sabi, hanggang 2014.
There's
Right.
no more
Anong
land
rate of
acquisition.
accomplishment ng DAR sa land distribution? Good sponsor.
It's per year. Per year, January 24. In 2024, they distributed 61,000 hectares. 623.
All right. So kung sa 2024 at 61,623 hectares that year, kung masustain po ito year on year, at the very least, kung hindi man maidagdag, at
years.
this rate of accomplishment, sa ilang taon matatapos ito ng DAR, yung distribution?
3 years.
Ilan
3
po?
years.
In three-
161 divided by 61.
So, in three-
less than 3 years.
In less than 3 years. So, malayo po dun sa ibang naiuulat na it will take another 47 years. Tansya po ng DAR,
Sobra
3
naman.
years.
Dead set.
Over his dead body daw.
Over his dead body. Oh my God. Well, 4 na taon pa naman ang administrasyon. So before dapat sa tansya ng DAR bago sa pagsara ng administrasyon na distribute na ang lahat. Of course, here we are talking about lahat nung na-acquire by 2014. So pag feedback ko nito sa mga farm rural partners namin, baka meron pa kaming ifa-follow up sa DAR in terms of yung dapat pang na-acquire noon pero hindi na-acquire by year 2014. Sige po, Mr. President, dako naman po ako sa ngayon ng dun sa landowners compensation. So, from the previous 2 years and in the proposed 2025 GAA, the DAR's budget for landowners compensation has remained constant. Ano pong dahilan nito, Mr. President?
Under the GAA, they have 6 million budget for land acquisition. But tapos na po yung land acquisition, so it's just as what you call this reserve amount in case there will be some problems that will come about.
At ito pong reserve amount, good sponsor, ay para sa landowner compensation?
Yes, yes.
Magkano po itong nagkakahalaga?
6 million
6 million din.
yearly. That's
Yearly. So ito po ay 6 million for land acquisition mula even post 2014, post the
Yes,
period of
yes.
acquisition.
In case there's some problem, there's a
Okay.
reserve.
Nag-accumulate po ba ito? So ito po ba ay magkano na po ang halagang ito para sa na-reserve amount, tinuturing na reserve amount para sa landowners compensation?
Sa 500 million na po yung natin.
Kumbaga nagko-compound ba ito?
Pero ang reserve amount mo, yung 6 million a year, magkano na naipon nyo doon?
Nauubos po lahat natin lagi kasi ito po yung utang na ubos agad.
Doon daw sa land acquisition nila noong 2014, may utang sila na 520 million.
Ito po.
Oo. So, sa landowner, so every year nauubos nila kasi unti-unti nilang binabayaran yung landowner.
Magkano yung utang po noong 2014? 500?
Mula nung 520,550,000
520 million 550,000
plus.
plus. And they're given 6 million a year. So dahan-dahan binabayaran nila.
First in, first out.
Ito pala yung tatagal, lampas sa 3 taon. Baka ito rin ang 47 years para sa landowner compensation.
520 divided
Kasi kung
by
6 million a year lamang, kahit po yung mula 2014 hanggang ngayon, 60 million lang po yun.
Usap-usap kami nila, secretary ng finance, na baka para ma-address kagad dyan, is mag-ano kami. Tawag doon sa yes. Gagamitin namin ng
nag-usap daw sila ng DBM na mag-i-issue sila ng bonds para mabayaran na to.
DOF.
And DOF.
Ay, I see. Kailan po magsisimula yung pag-issue ng bonds para mabayaran yung landowners compensation?
Probably next year.
Probably next year.
Next year pa po. May halaga po ba itong kabuang bonds? 6 million din lamang ba or higit pa po?
Hindi, para bayaran tong 520 million.
Okay, so sa unang pag-issue pa lang, worth 520 million na po ang bonds na i-issue.
Yeah.
All right po. And then, pero bago pa ma-issue itong bonds no next year sa tulong ng DBM at DOF sa halagang 520 million, sa ngayon, with a low and fixed budget for landowners compensation, ano yung criteria na sinusunod ng DAR na yun yung basehan ng pagbayad? Sinong babayaran una sa mga dating landowners? Mr.
First
President?
in, first out.
Okay.
Kung sino yung unang binili, yun ang unang babayaran.
Okay. Meron pong talaan nito para nakalagay talaga yung petsa na na-acquire yung lupa and therefore sila yung first in line para
They have a
mabayaran ng
record
landowners compensation.
That they have to follow.
We will follow that.
So they follow that and nakasulat po ito. Pag hiningi po nitong representasyon, mahihingi po.
Nasa land bank daw yung listahan.
Nasa land bank. And pwede po nating hingiin sa land bank ito,
Opo.
Mr. President, good sponsor. All right. It has been the practice of previous administrations until the second Aquino administration for, yun na nga po, Land Bank of the Philippines to advance the payment of just compensation for landowners to be later reimbursed from the GAA and or the Agrarian Reform Fund o ARF. Bakit po diniscontinue ng gobyerno ang practice na ito, Mr. President?
Hindi namin alam reason bakit nila diniscontinue. Mabuti na lang itong term ni Presidente, sabi niya, we have to be fair not only to the agrarian reform beneficiaries,
But also to the land.
Binigyan na namin.
It did not happen during their time. They do not know why it was discontinued. But in fairness, this administration will try to pay this backlog in landowner compensation because they said that they should be fair to DAR beneficiaries as well as to the landowner who gave up their land for the DAR beneficiaries.
Salamat, good sponsor. Siguro magtatanong na lang kami sa iba pa kung bakit hindi na tinuloy yung ganoong practice noon. And in fact, magkaka-reunion naman pala ang DAR at ang Land Bank dahil sa Land Bank i-issue, or rather, hindi pala, DBM at DOF, no, yung bonds. Pero sayang, no, instead of replacing a previous good practice with another possibly good practice, sana several na mga pamamaraan para eventually mabayaran itong 500 million pesos na pagkakautang ng gobyerno sa mga dating landowners. Dako naman po ako, Mr. President, good sponsor, sa ilang mga grievances na idinudulog sa DAR. Dahil over the past several months, our office has been deluged by grievances received from agrarian reform beneficiaries. Yung isa po dito, good sponsor, 185 families in Barangay Ginobatan, Calapan City, received 64 certificates of land ownership awards under the CARP. However, a case questioning their entitlement over the lands was filed against them, invoking City Ordinance Number 21, which classified the area as a light industrial, commercial, or residential zone. Ano pong status ng kasong ito? At yung City Ordinance ba sapat para i-invalidate ang CLOA, Mr. President?
Madam, Mr. President,
Ano? Sabihin mo sa akin.
ay, magsasalita.
Hindi ka pa nanalo.
The subject is already been decided, exempted with finality by the Supreme Court.
Na?
Ng Supreme Court, exempted yung area, 185 hectares
Exempted from what?
from our coverage.
So, saan pupunta yung
Now,
mga
here,
tao?
the question ni ano mo, please. Is the city ordinance will reclassify the area is sufficient enough to invalidate the law? No. Because since it is exempted, there can no
Exempted from
coverage.
ng ano?
From land use, from distribution.
Exempted.
Kasi,
Kasi ang tinatanong niya, city ordinance.
yan na, saan na rin katapan?
Calapan City. Ordinance.
Parang kailangan.
Chihuahua.
Oo.
At saka, it's
Oo.
Because exempted yun.
Kaya nga, pero na
Medyo? Gusto niyo? Okay. Would the good sponsor like a minute suspension, Mr. President?
Can we,
A minute suspension, Mr. President.
ang pagkaintindi ko, in-honor ng Supreme Court yung exemption from CARP. So it cannot go to the CARP beneficiaries anymore, but it's, yun lang. So that's the ruling of the Supreme Court.
Mr. President, parang may namimiss po tayong steps dito or pieces ng puzzle na to. In fact, sa information na binigay sa akin nung mga pamilyang yon sa Barangay Ginobatan, Calapan City, wala pong banggit ng SC ruling. Wala pong banggit ng pag-exempt sa lupa nila sa CARP. Ang established po ay inawardan sila ng DAR ng 64 na CLOA. Pero kinasuhan sila, wala daw silang entitlement sa lupa. Ang basehan nun, City Ordinance number 21.
It's not the city ordinance, it's the ownership of the person
which the Supreme Court.
which the Supreme Court upheld, hindi yung city ordinance. Ayaw nung may-ari na i-distribute sa CARP beneficiaries and in-uphold siya ng Supreme Court.
Sino po yung sinasabing may-ari, good sponsor?
Maria Luna. No.
Maria Luna.
Maria Luna. So sa pagkaalam po ng DAR, ano ang kasalukuyang status ng kaso?
Suspended yung CARP distribution.
Suspended yung...
Final na yung exemption.
So, well, hindi pa eh.
Based on the Supreme Court ruling.
Sabi ng DAR, final na yung exemption from CARP based on Supreme Court ruling.
Pero kung ganon, good sponsor, bakit nakapag-issue ang CARP ng 64 CLOAs? Kung meron palang
nagkamali.
SC ruling.
Instances where after the decision of the OP, the DAR proceed with the issuance of LOA without prejudice to the further proceeding.
Naunang initial to.
So, na-distribute daw nila without prejudice to the ruling of the Supreme Court. And nag-rule ang Supreme Court, so it cannot be done.
Kailan po nila dinistribute? Kailan po nila inaward yung 64 na CLOA?
Kailan daw?
When was that? Rule 64.
2013.
2013. Ano yung
2013.
Kailan nag-rule?
Tapos kailan po yung ruling ng Supreme Court?
That period, I believe that is during the term of penal administration from
So, almost the same time after the distribution.
Ano
same
pong
time.
buwan yung inaward yung CLOA sa 2013?
Siguro.
Maybe because it's hard to remember, maybe we can give you the report to follow kasi hindi nila matandaan yung exact date at exact ruling ng Supreme Court.
We will provide.
At anong buwan din po yung Supreme Court ruling na yun?
Same year, pero hindi nila matandaan yung date.
Yeah.
So they will give you the report para exact, tama.